Hello everyone and welcome to NEET Mentor. In this particular session, we will talk about all those colleges, government colleges particularly, in India, in all the states where there is no service bond. It means bond-free government colleges in India. So we'll have the college's name, state, and what is the status bond. Is the bond not applicable for any candidate going through all India quota or state quota both, or is not applicable for only all India quota and is applicable for their state quota? So we'll know about all these things. Before that, if you are new to the channel, you must subscribe the channel because you will get all the important updates related to NEET PG counseling, and all the details you can see in the description. Coming to the paid counseling guidance, we also provide paid counseling guidance. Let me tell you something about the best counseling strategy. You have written your examination, you have done all the things from your side. Now you can't change your score or rank, but what you can do best is how to proceed in order to make your counseling process or the counseling strategy best. You travel across India on paper based on the data available, or if you don't have the data available, you need to contact someone who has the data available, tuition fee, cutoff score, and branches availability, quality of college, okay, and list of all the possibilities under your score. And based on below 6 factors, you mark yes or no against it. You need to pen it down. So the factors are your dream branch based on your rank or score. Now you can analyze based on your expected score, based on preferred states you want to go. Suppose you are from Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, then you would not like to go for like very northern states. You would prefer to get admission in nearby states or like your own state. Vice versa for those candidates who are in North India, they might face language problem, and as a PG candidate student, you need to interact with patients, you need to understand their language, you need to be comfortable in that. Service bond, going for all India quota, even for private colleges, what is the service bond? How much minimum years you need to serve, and in case you don't want to serve, then what is the penalty amount? Tuition fee budget, in case you are not eligible, you are not getting enough score for getting government colleges or DNB, then what the tuition fee budget you have. And future perspective, you want to go for like as a faculty, teaching faculty in medical colleges, then which course you need to go for, whether you should go for DNB or not, like that. So after you have all these factors, based on the factors, you list out all the options and cross and tick mark, put a cross mark and tick mark all the options, because let me tell you what options possible. You have all India quota, deemed universities, DNB options available to you, CPS, FCPS available to you, NB diploma, and private colleges in your domicile state as well as open states. That's very important. So on average you will be having 14 to 15 different counseling authority where you can register and do counseling process. Okay, now when you decide that these are the option you are going with, and these are the option crossed out or unticked, then you have a list of those options, and based on complete list, so you are sure that you are doing the counseling in the best possible manner, and you are not missing out any of the option which is available for you in your budget or in your preferred factors. Now let me tell you something about the paid counseling guidance that we provide. So these are the points that you can also look at in the description of the video. Starting from the day one, from the notification process, all the updates and previous year cutoffs, in all the round 1, round 2, mop-up round or stay vacancy round, all the deep details and choice filling, complete counseling guidance. You can talk to us our WhatsApp, video calls, and you can chat us. Fee details and stipend details, bond details, seat matrix, and current bond details. If there is support for stay vacancy, mop-up round, how the fee will get refunded, what are the rules for getting the fee, security deposit forfeited. So these all things will be updating you, and most importantly, we take care of your counseling process. You just need to do the manual process of doing registration, choice filling, and then you will get allotment later. Okay, in case you are not able to get admission due to any factor this year, then the service will continue for next year. So without further delay, let's jump into the topic where we will talk about all the colleges in different states where there is no bond in government colleges. So Government Medical College and Hospital Chandigarh is in Chandigarh, and there is no bond in this college. Okay, second is BMMC and SJ Hospital New Delhi is in Delhi, and there is no bond. Maulana Azad Medical College New Delhi, PGIMER Dr. RML Hospital, this is one of the brand hospitals in India. Lady Harding New Delhi, GB Pant Institute of Post Graduation Medical Education Research New Delhi, University College of Medical Science New Delhi, ESI PGIMSR New Delhi, and Vallabhbhai Chest Institute New Delhi, Kasturba Hospital New Delhi, Institute of Nuclear Medicine and AL Science New Delhi, Institute of Human Behavior and Allied Sciences New Delhi, Hindu Rao Hospital New Delhi, National Institute of Health Science New Delhi. So these are the top hospitals and colleges in New Delhi where there is no bond. Okay, any college you are getting in New Delhi, there is no bond. BJ Medical College Ahmedabad is in Gujarat, there also you don't have any bond. Sri MP Shah Medical College Jamnagar, there is no bond for all India quota candidates. You are going through and take admission through 50% all India quota. Even you come from Gujarat only, you get the admission through all India quota. There is no bond, but there is bond for state quota candidates. Government Medical College Baroda, PDU Government Medical College Rajkot, and Government Medical College Surat, Government Medical College Bhavnagar. So all the government colleges in Gujarat, they have no bond for all India quota, but there is bond for state quota candidates. SHKM GMC Mewar, Haryana, Pandit BD Sharma Rohtak in Haryana, BPS Government Medical College for Women Sonpat, Regional Institute of Medical Science Imphal. In Haryana also you have no bond for both state and all India quota. Regional Institute of Medical Science Imphal. In Manipur there is no bond. NEI GRI HMS is a government medical college in Shillong, Meghalaya, there is no bond. Institute of Medical Science BHU Varanasi in the heart city of India, there is no bond. Jawaharlal Nehru Institute of Medical Science AMU Aligarh Muslim University, Uttar Pradesh, there is no bond. Agartala Government Medical College Agartala in Tripura, no bond. If you are not taking any stipend, that's very specific, you don't want to get a stipend, there is no bond. All India Institute of Hygiene and Public Health Kolkata, West Bengal, there is no bond, and AIIPMR Mumbai, Maharashtra, there is no bond. So these are complete list of those government medical colleges where there is no bond, and you need to keep your preferences accordingly. The cutoff will also be higher for these colleges since there is no bond, and these are top medical colleges in India. So with this, I am finishing this video, and we will meet again in the next video. So until then, thanks for watching and have a great day.